friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In today's video, I'll be doing the Call of Duty FPS test in the Poco X3 device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Poco X3 smartphone, and right now I'll try to play the Call of Duty, and let's see what is the maximum FPS you can get if you use the high graphics settings. And in this video I'll be trying to play the Battle Royale game, not the multiplayer one, which most of the users did recommend to use. And it is the default FPS count meter I'll be using in the Poco X3 device. So this is a default FPS count meter. You don't need to download anything. So actually it was supposed to work like this, as you can see here. So it is the Poco F2 Pro here. So as you can see, so it was supposed to work, but there is some error going on and I was not able to get this kind of small FPS meter. So if you want to know how to get this FPS count meter, check the playlist of the Poco X3 so you can find that video. So right now I'll be directly jumping into that, opening the Call of Duty game here. So I did enable the 120 FPS refresh rate as well, in case some of the users, if they want whether I'm using the 120 FPS or not. So it is the Call of Duty game. As soon as I open the gameplay, the FPS count decreases to 30 FPS. You can see here clearly 30 FPS, and even on the top game turbo where we can see the FPS count. So you can get the close FPS count as well, the real-time FPS meter. So every time it's not visible on the top, so that's why I prefer to use this kind of option here, which is a default available. So in the Poco X3, so you can enable that. So right now let me try to show you the settings what I'm using. So right now you can see friends, I'm using with the high and very high. So now let me try to select the maximum settings. So this is a maximum, very high and very high. As you can clearly see, all the settings I have enabled here. So when I try to turn on everything, as you can see here friends, so everything is turned on and settings are set to the very high and high. So now let me try to open the Battle Royale gameplay here. As you can see here friends, it is the quick glance of the FPS count meter. On the game turbo it's showing the 41 FPS, but if you're using the default FPS count meter, it's showing the 50 FPS. You can see there is a difference going on between both here. So that's why I did enable the game turbo FPS as well on the top. So now let me try to run and show you the FPS count at real time. So one thing I did like friends, the dual stereo speaker setup is very good if you're playing this kind of gaming here in the Poco X3 smartphone. So you can see the FPS count, how much it's varying right now. So this with the maximum settings and everything turned on in the settings, 42 and 50. You can see the difference, how it's decreasing and increasing. So overall I can say 45. So 40 to 45 it's trying to maintain. So if you're using this kind of high settings. So you can observe the FPS count meter on both here. So there is a difference going on. So I'm not sure which is correct. And 50 FPS. So now let me try to decrease the quality to the maximum. So I'm trying to decrease the graphics quality to the high, and I'm maintaining the maximum FPS meter. So now let me check how much is the FPS count I'm getting if you do that. So right now you can see friends, the FPS count, it's close to 60 FPS at the moment. It's high. So when you select the graphics quality to the high and the FPS count to the maximum, so then you will get the 60 FPS count. So this is where you will get the 60 FPS you can achieve in the Call of Duty in the Poco X3 device. So if you use the high graphics settings, you will get the FPS count very less. So that means close to 40 to 45 FPS count. So that is what if you are concerned about the 60 FPS, then this is a way you can achieve the 60 FPS. So you can check the readings of both the FPS monitors on the game turbo, and this is the default FPS count meter in the Poco X3. So you can see the difference for yourself. if it's close by, as you can see here. So if you have any other games in your mind, do comment below, friends. I'll try to do those gaming tests as well in the Poco X3 device. So in case if you want to know more details. So that's it for this video, friends, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.